Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, what am I going to be doing today? So I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on the van today. We're going to be doing a little bit of customizing over the next few months on this van. It's a Ford Transit Custom 2018 model. We bought this van for work purposes. We need a bit of extra space to get some extra bodies in. Now, you can buy one of these vans known as a double cab, which already comes with the extra seating. Now, I didn't want one of those because although it comes with the extra seating, the load space in the back becomes very small, which doesn't work for me. So to keep that extra load room when we need it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit some removable seats that you can just lift out. So we're going to do a few episodes, and over those episodes I'm going to show you the conversion basically from a standard van to a van with additional seating, double cab with windows in. We're going to go a bit further. I'm going to give it the SS Crew treatment and put a bit of a sport body kit on this and the all important big rims. So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the side loading sliding door, because what part of this conversion entails is putting some extra windows in the sides, putting some windows in the sides even. So one would go on the side door, one would go on the opposite side on the side panel. Now, I've managed to find on a well-known internet auction site a door from a minibus which is in the right colour and already has the window in. It's going to help keep things on budget. I'm going to just swap my door out for the one with the window in, and that means I can sell my door on to somebody else who needs one, and also repurpose the one that has come off the damaged minibus, which all helps the carbon neutral zero mission in recycling things. So I'll come down to the Trusty Brothers house to try and get some help with this, because it's quite heavy and I'm going to need a hand manoeuvring it about. Let's see how I go on, because I've come unannounced and everybody's fasting, so everybody's a bit grumpy, so wish me luck. So having a quick look around this, guys, there's a couple of ways that you can get this door off. I'm going to show you that. Inherently these are quite easy to do because all the electrics of the door for the lock and things like that are contained within the door, and basically these contacts here make contact with those contacts on the body and transfer the current across, so you don't need to worry about taking any wiring out. So there's a couple of ways, like I've said, is down at the bottom here you've got this little plate which has got the latch striker on for the latch to hook into. That's going to have to come off, and at the top here it looks like these rollers will just come straight out the back, providing there's no restriction from the rear hinge. So I'm going to start with taking this little rubber bump stop out, and that's going to give us some extra space up there. That just feels like it's, yeah, that just unscrews, so we'll get that out of the way. And then we're going to take this plate off the bottom. Now the important thing here is we're going to have to make sure that the door's released before we undo that, because otherwise you've got the door locked into it and it's not going to come away. So we'll take that out, which will allow those two rollers to fall downwards. I mentioned the other way about doing it. I guess the other way is you could take the bolts off the actual door, which it will still do the same thing, except it's going to be a lot more difficult to try and hold up and line up and get everything into place. So I'm going to do it that way. And now the back hinge, we've got an option here. We either take this cover off the guide, pop this stop out, and that will allow the door to come all the way back and out of the roller, or we can just unbolt it off the door there. Now I'm going to opt for that. I'm going to unbolt it off the door because I don't want to disturb any of this, and I don't want to risk marking any of the paint trying to prise it out, so I'm going to go for that option. So you can just see there's like a little plastic push clip in there that needs to come out, but that'll just come out as you pull that out. Good. Just pull away from the bank. Right guys, that's it. That's how easy it was. So I'm just going to put the bump stop back in on this side. There's a little bit of adjustment required, but nothing major, and it closes pretty well. I'm just going to put this rubber bump stop back in and the catch plate at the bottom, and then that's the job done. Just one thing to test is, let's just check out if the lock works. Just do us a favour and shut them back doors, please. So this will determine. Brilliant. So that's it. Plug and play, new door on. There you have it. That's the Transit Custom door swap. I hope it helps you guys out if you're looking at doing anything similar yourselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, stay tuned. We're going to be uploading some more episodes of what we're going to be doing with this custom van and its journey on its transition. See you next time.